First, you should create a simple HTML code like this. Then add ID for send button. Save every time you update the code. Now your HTML is ready. Now it's time to connect Firestore. So go to your Firebase project. Go to Project Settings and scroll down. And copy this code. Now paste it to your JavaScript code. Now you should add Firebase SDK to your JavaScript code. This is the Firebase SDK code. You can find it in the description. Now let's write a code to catch the data and save it on Firestore. You can find this full JavaScript code in the description. Now this code will catch the data and save them on Firestore, and give you an alert if it's successfully saved. Your code should look like this. Now let's create the database. Go to your Firebase project again. And follow me. For location, you should choose your real one or a nearby one. The database has been created. If you are seeing this page, great, you did it perfectly. Now, it's time to test. Type something, click send. And boom, data goes straight to Firebase. Let's check it out. If you can see this, my friend, you did it. That's it for today's ByteBlaze tutorial. Next time, we'll add user authentication so people can log into your Firebase app. Bell, hit subscribe, leave a comment if this helped, and drop a like to support the channel. Peace out, devs.